Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy recipe that we can make with sprouted mung bean. So here I'm going to show you how to make the sprouts. So here I've taken 2 glasses of sprout or 2 cups of sprout. Add water. I have washed the mung beans, now soaked it in the water for 2 hours. After 2 hours, throw away the water and let it sit in the bowl like this for 4 days. After 4 days, you will see sprouts mung bean. So I have sprinkled water every day in the morning to create the sprouts. So here for the masala that I'm going to make it more flavorful, I'm going to make this in coconut oil. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon coconut oil and mustard seed. This is curry leaves, it's optional. This is majorly used in most of our Indian cooking recipes. So here I'm adding green chilies, which is optional. You can add or you can substitute it with jalapenos also. Thumb size ginger, coarsely crushed. Then half onion, I have cut it into small pieces like this. Next we will add the masala. The masala is very simple. It is turmeric, red chili powder and salt. That's it. Give it a good mix. So here I'm adding turmeric. We can add red chili powder here or paprika. So I'm adding Kashmiri chili powder, which is basically a good nice red colored masala, and it has no spices in it. It is not chili or hot at all. Give it a good mix. So this is a very simple yet delicious recipe. It is a stir fried mung bean. So very good and tastes super good. Now we are adding the sprouted mung bean here. We are cooking this in medium-low heat. Now we will mix all the sprouted mung bean with the masala that we created. And we will wait this to be half cooked. We want this to be crunchy and not mushy, so we are not adding any water here. Close the lid, let it cook for 5 minutes in medium-low heat. Now it's done, ready to be served. Enjoy this as it is. This is full of nutrients, rich in protein, and it has a lot of other benefits. Sprouted mung bean, full of flavors. I hope you enjoyed this easy and quick recipe idea. See you soon with new video again. Till then, bye bye and take care.